Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about why this Samsung case is redefining everyday smartphone protection, Avora Nature Tech series. Welcome to the Avora Nature Tech series. In today's episode we'll take a deep dive into one of the most essential smartphone accessories, the protective case. But not just any case. Today we're reviewing a product that goes beyond basic protection and aesthetics. We're talking about the Avora Nature Samsung Case, a minimalist, durable and eco-conscious solution for Samsung Galaxy users who care about both function and form. The purpose of a quality phone case. Smartphones are expensive, multifunctional devices. A well-designed case must go beyond protection. It should be ergonomic, visually appealing, durable, and complement the user's lifestyle. The Avora Nature Samsung case is designed to meet all these needs and more. It offers a precise fit, easy accessibility, and shock-absorbing capabilities, all within a slim form factor. Materials and design philosophy. Let's break down the build. The case is made of thermoplastic fiber, a powerful combination that balances flexibility and rigidity. These materials are well known in the tech accessory industry for their shock resistance, optical clarity, and durability over time. This model uses a transparent backplate to retain the original beauty of your Samsung while adding protection. The sides are slightly textured to improve grip, reduce slips, and enhance usability. Design-wise, Avora Nature stays true to its minimalistic aesthetics. No loud branding, no over-engineered features, just clean lines and intentional simplicity. Functionality in everyday use. Let's talk about user experience. The case offers tactile button response. Volume and power buttons are protected but responsive, ensuring you never feel disconnected from your device. Cutouts are precise. Charging ports, speakers holes, and the camera module are aligned perfectly. One of the most appreciated features in slim fit. Unlike many rugged cases that bulk up the phone, the Avora Nature case maintains a sleek profile, making it ideal for pockets, small bags, or one-handed use. Despite the minimalist size, it offers military-grade drop protection up to 1.5 meters thanks to reinforced corners and material layering. Environmental awareness and brand mission. Avora Nature is more than just a brand, it's a mission-driven company rooted in sustainability and clean design. The Samsung case is produced in line with Avora Nature's environmental values. Packaging is minimal and recyclable. Supply chains are optimized for low emissions. Materials are chosen not just for durability, but for reduced environmental impacts. As consumers become more eco-conscious, accessories like these reflect a shift in how we consume technology. User feedback and practical scenarios. Let's hear what users have been saying. Most reviews emphasize the slimness, clarity, and shock absorption. It's particularly well received by professionals, students, and commuters who need something discreet but dependable. Scenarios where this case stands out: daily work commute, outdoor activities thanks to the secure grip, office and desk work because of its clean aesthetic, content creators who want their phone branding visible while filming. Real-world tests have shown the case withstands scratches, minor drops, and temperature changes without discolorating or cracking. Product specs and compatibility. Here's a breakdown of key specifications, material, TPU size, compatibility, Samsung Galaxy models listed on the product page, features, shock absorption, raised bezels for screen and camera, anti-yellowing coating. Color, crystal clear. Grip, anti-slip side texture. Weight, lightweight. Dimensions, ultra slim profile. It's compatible with most screen protectors and wireless chargers, although we recommend checking model-specific notes before purchasing. My final thoughts: is this case for you? To sum up, if you are looking for a Samsung phone case that combines durability, subtle design, and eco-conscious values, the Avora Nature Clear case should be at the top of your list. It offers daily protection, clean aesthetics, and reliable build quality without unnecessary branding or bulk. To learn more, check the product link in the description or visit avoranature.com. This is more than a case, it's a lifestyle choice for people who care about tech and the planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and minimalist lifestyle tech. And as always, stay natural, stay Avora.